Hi everyone, welcome to my craft channel. Today I'm making a bath elixir, which is a mixture of an oil and a salt water. And what I'm going to do is put some colours in it and make it look fab. Ingredients: 150 millilitres of distilled water or your general bottled water, mineral water, a quarter of a cup of Dead Sea salts, a quarter of a cup of Epsom salts, 150 millilitres of oil of your choice, 15 to 20 drops of rose essential oil, a quarter of a teaspoon of pink mica, and a good pinch of glitter. Equipment: a measuring jug, a spatula, a quarter teaspoon measure, a quarter cup measure, a funnel, and a bottle to put your product in. So to start with, we've got half a cup of Epsom salts and Dead Sea salts mixed together, so like a quarter of a cup of each really, and we're going to put that into our water. I've got 150 millilitres of water in there, and I have warmed that up as well, just so it helps it mix the salt and dilute it. I'm just going to mix that around and let that disperse into the water. Now before you start, it's best to spray all your equipment with rubbing alcohol and just wipe it clean, and this will sterilise everything. So I'll just let that do its thing. Now with the oil here, I've got around 125 millilitres of oil, so around half and half really. And what we're going to do is to jazz it up with a sprinkle of glitter, and a quarter of a teaspoon of mica colour. Now this is a lip cosmetic colour, so it's cosmetic safe, so it's safe for your skin. I'll pop that in there and we'll give that a little mix around, and the micas go well into the oils. Oh, that looks amazing. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it looks fantastic. It has got a nice shimmer in it. Yeah, that looks really, really nice. There we go. Still see a few little lumps in there. Just get out all those lumps. There we go. Just give this another little stir around. It's nearly dissolved. And this is a bottle I had with some other bath salts in, so I've kept that, cleaned it out, and I'm going to use that to pour this into. I also now need to add the essential oil. I've got a Rose Absolute here. And we've put around 10 drops in there. Actually, I'm going to put 15 in, because when it goes into the bath, it dilutes it quite a lot. So there we go. Oh, that's smelling amazing. You can use any other essential oil that you really like. You can get a really nice rose geranium that's absolutely brilliant for your skin. So you can substitute it with a rose geranium. The oil I've chosen today is a hemp oil. Now you can use any oil you like, an almond oil, avocado oil, there are so many. So look at the properties of your oils, and that can help you decide which one you'd like to use. Okay, that's basically done now. So I'll use my funnel and pour half water. There we go. And then half oil. I sort of want you to see what this looks like when it goes in, because it looks so amazing. And there you go. I'm just going to bring the camera down so you can have a look at this, because it looks so amazing. And there you go, a really beautiful, beautiful product. You just need to shake it before you pop it in the bath. And as you can see, it keeps separated, but you give it a good shake. Here we go, everyone, here's the finished product. You can see how it sort of just moves around in the bottle. It looks amazing. There we go. Just love the way it moves around in the bottle. So there we go. One bottle of Rose Bath Elixir. And when you want to use it and put it in your bath, just give it a good shake. And there you see, it sort of all goes together and looks fab. You see it's starting to separate again. So you just shake it up, pour it in the bath, as much or as little as you want, and enjoy your bath. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs.